FPV takeoff.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Watch out with the takeout. Oy, ay, ay. Almost. So we're flying again the Meteor for the second time on FPV, 5.8 gigahertz and 2.4 spectrum control. So we're not going too far away. We're getting around 12 minutes plus with 5000 milliamp 4S 25C battery. Flying this plane on FPV, it's a lot of fun. As you saw there, I took off with goggles. And pretty quick here, we're going to give the controls to Ignatius, and you're going to see a bunch of rolls and stuff that he likes to do. So here he comes.
Hard to tell how close to the ground I am.
So here we change back pilots, and I'm piloting now. As you can see, much more precise. Doing nice low passes here, putting the wing close to the ground, going around.
I rewired my ground station yesterday.
After my dad killed it?
Well, no, it's just that there was why don't you just like shave your head while you're at it? Yeah? You got it?
Yeah.
Wow.
He flies it a foot from the ground and yells at me.
Ready?
I've been filming this whole time, Dad.
You wanna land or you wanna do another pass?
Whatever you want, Dad.
¿Está muy cerca? Demasiado. Fuck.
Behind me.
Detrás tuyo, ¿verdad? Get it?
All of it.
Yeah, I'm coming for landing.
I got you.